chemistry.
Tama naman makaka-relate. Pero meron din mga pagkakataon na kasi at the end of the day, any show that is shown, whether sa television or sa pelikula, it's all about entertainment. We are in the entertainment business. We are here to entertain. Then therefore, in creating your characters, you think of what could make your character, entertaining and worth watching. Eh kung boring ka naman dun sa scene, ay hindi naman yun ang character mo, hindi kita papanoorin. You will always have to find what will be interesting in your character, ha? So, I'll give you one by one, pero basahin sabay-sabay, huwag mo nang magaling. Daniel,
Siguro,
Loisa, I suppose Loisa anak pangalan, no?
Loisa.
Loisa lang?
Ako.
Walang E? Joshua, Jane, Maris, Vicky. Okay. When I leave the room, tingnan niyo, sabi ko wala magbabalik. Grabe, simple instructions, Daniel, cannot comprehend. Napakasimple na instructions ko. Don't read.
I'm sorry po.
See?
I'm not reading po. Just look.
When I give instructions, it's important to lend your ear to me every time. Makinig lagi. Kasi andun ang instructions. When you miss it, you're dead. Dead meat. Ha? O siya. I will see you later. Pag may questions, ano niyo muna sa sarili niyo? O kaya ilista niyo. Wala kang boyfriend dito?
Wala po.
Bawal po. Bawal po.
Susubukan ko mag-request kay kuya.
Opo.
Ha?
Ano po? Worker.
Oo, ay baka magsaksakan kayo. Susubukan ko humingi, ha? Pag pinagbigyan tayo, di sabihin, swerte kayo. Thank you, I'll see you later. Bye!
Madali sabihin natin basahin ka.
Pwede magbasa?
Basta sabay-sabay.
Umalis na ako! Ano na?
Sige po, salamat. What's in the room? Oh, it's Joshua and Jane. Joshua and Jane.
Joshua and Jane!